Hey there everybody, this is Joe Doomsday. I just picked this up today. This is my very first Spyderco knife. I've always heard about them, but I'm more of a fixed blade kind of guy, so I don't go for a lot of lock blade knives and folding knives. But this one did catch my attention. Doesn't seem like the camera wants to focus very well. It's got a 4.2 inch blade and it's 9.4 inches overall, so just about 9.5 inches. It's made in Golden, Colorado, USA, so it's an American made knife. And this talks about their lifetime limited warranty there. Basically, if you use the knife properly, they will repair, replace it. It says it's made of 8 CR13 MOV stainless steel blade. It's got a liner lock mechanism, 4-position pocket clip, textured G10 scales, and a lanyard hole. And this one is kind of a jumbo large size, and it's called the Resilience, Spyderco Resilience. I picked this up from Walmart for about, I think it was just over $40. So let's get it open, take a look at it. Okay, here it is, just opened up. It's got the little Spyderco emblem on it, which is a spider. And it's got kind of a nice textured grip. And there is the clip for your pocket or your belt. And it's got some jimping on it here and a thumb ramp to give you some control over this blade. This is it compared to my hand. It's a fairly sizable Spyderco knife. I've never been a super big fan of like those liner locks, but that's what it has. It opens easy enough. Yeah, you can see it's just one of those. You see there, try to get the focus, one of those liner locks in the center. They're okay, they're not great. It says Spyderco 8 CR13 MOV. And what does that say? China? And that will not focus. Now, why would it say it's made in Golden, Colorado if the blade says China on it? See, I really don't know anything about these. This is the first one I ever bought. I've never even really read up on them, so I don't really know much of anything about these blades. It's got a little bit of a thumb ramp there for protecting your finger from sliding forward. Looks like it's a flat grind. And it's got a tiny little secondary bevel on it. You can see that there. But it's about 1/8 of an inch thick up here. Whoop. Maybe just a hair over 1/8 of an inch, and then it tapers to the tip. But let me see. It feels somewhat sharp. I don't know if it's super sharp by any means. Pretty lightweight. I think it would be comfortable enough to carry because it doesn't feel like it weighs anything. Let's do a paper cut test here. Okay, here's a sheet of printer paper. And this is the knife straight out of the packaging. Let's see if it comes sharp at all. It's pretty sharp. Definitely paper cutting sharp. Yep. So yeah, it's about a 4 1/4 to 4.5 inch blade. And it's about 9.5, close to it overall. And as far as the thickness goes, it's about a perfect 1/8 of an inch. Well, I don't have a whole lot to say about the knife other than what has been said. It looks like it should be easy enough to sharpen. And if any of you out there own this version of a Spyderco knife from Walmart, the Resilience, let me know what you think, because I really don't know much of anything about these. I did realize that Spyderco, the company, is in Colorado, but obviously this knife here, the one comes from China. So I don't know if they have, I'm sure they have American-made ones that are probably better. I don't know, but I would imagine, because you hear a lot about Spyderco, but I've just never owned one before. I think I've said that about 50 times. I don't know. I guess I'll just use it and see what I think of it over time. This is Joe Doomsday signing out.